2, it will become 0, and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. If I simplify it, then I have 2. So 2 is the correct answer. Please tell me, all of you have understood all these 9 questions or not? Please reply, then I will proceed further. Because I have to make yourself very, very clear. Each and every inches of each and every question, I have to make yourself very, very clear. So Somkeshwar, Sai has given the answer. Mani Durga has not given the answer. Please tell, is all the questions are clear to you or not? I'm waiting for your answer. Okay, very good. Next. What is the remainder when 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus dash 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 1000 factorial is divided by 10? See, just listen to me first. If I have to divide a number by 10, if I have to divide a number by 10, then the unit digit of that number will be the remainder. How? If I have to divide a number, if I take a number that is 123 by 10, you know that the remainder will be 3, r equal to 3 here. Very good. If I take 153 and divide it by 10, the remainder will be 3 here. If I write 167 divided by 10, the remainder will be 7 here. It means the unit digit of a number will be the remainder of that number if it is divided by 10. And in unit digit, I have told you how to find the unit digits of these numbers. What I have told you? I have told you that 5 factorial is equal to 120 and 6 factorial is equal to 720. From 5 factorial onwards, we will get the unit digit of all the factorials that will 0, and we have to count it till 1000 factorial. So we need not to take any kind of tension. We know that 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial is 6, and the unit digit of 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2, that is 24, and the UD of 24 is 4 plus. After that, I have numerous zeros, and to add number of zeros, we will get a 0. So we need to add these numbers. 6, 4, 10 to 3. 3 is the unit digit of this expression, and I clearly told you that the unit digit of an expression is the remainder of that expression if it is divided by 10. Tell me, is it clear to you? Is this concept clear to all of you? Is this concept clear to all of you? Okay. So 3 is the answer here. Next. What is the remainder when 2 to the power 84 is divided by 6? 2 to the power 84 is divided by 86. Please answer in the comment box. You have to answer this question. I'm waiting. Has anyone given the answer? 2 and 0. Who has given the answer 0? C. If you have to divide it, 0 comes when the numerator is completely divisible by the denominator. 6 is nothing but 2 into 3. And we have no 3 here. So the remainder cannot be 0. See, I will give you a trick that will you use in your next question, and that is asked by UPSC. So you will answer that question in 15 seconds. Okay. See, if I divide 4 by 6, the remainder is 4. If I divide 4 square by 6, 16 by 6, the remainder is 4. If I divide 4 cube by 6, 4 cube is nothing but 64 is divided by 6, the remainder is 4. If I divide 4 to the power 4, that is 256. If I divide 256 by 6, the remainder will be 4, because 252 is completely divisible by 6. It means we have a condition that 4 to the power n, 4 to the power n divided by 6, the remainder will always be 4, where n belongs to integers. What are integers? One starting with 1, positive integers. Positive. N belongs to natural numbers. Natural numbers or positive integers. This question, what this question says, it's 2 to the power 84. I can write it as 2 to the power 2. What can I write it? See, 2 to the power 2 to the power 42 upon 6 is equal to 2 to the power is nothing but 4 to the power 42 upon 6. And we have learned a concept that if 4 to the power n is divided by 6 and n belongs to natural numbers, then the remainder is 4. Here, 4 to the power 42 is divided by 6. The remainder will be 4. Please tell me, is this concept clear to you? Clear? Sai, Durga, Somkeshwar, please tell. Clear? Okay. So UPSC has asked a question on the same concept. You have, please answer it as fast as possible. As fast as possible, answer this question. If you are able to answer this question, then you are able to crack UPSC CSAT 2025. So answer will be option number D. See, 2 to the power 192 divided by 6. We can write it as 4 to the power 4 to the power 96. 96 divided by 6. And the remainder will be 4. Clear? Very good. Next. Now we have some questions in this form. 20 to the power 108 divided by 35. What will be the remainder? I will solve it for you. Then you will solve another questions. See, I have 20 to the power, because there are certain patterns to solve such kind of questions, upon 35. What we have to do in this question, we have to make 20 closer to 35. We have to make 20 closer to 35, but we can't do it. Why? Because if I square 20, then it will become 400, and if I cube 20, then what it will become 8000. So I can't calculate, and I have to make such kind of adjustment so that 20 become closer to this 35. So what will I do? What will we do? We will just take 20 out of it and multiply 20 into 107. We will take 120 from here and divide by 35. Now we will divide it 5 4 ja and 5 7 ja. What it will become? It will become 4 into 20 to the power 107 divided by 7. Now this 20 is closer to 7. I know that 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. So when I divide this 4 with 7, I will get plus 4 remainder. When I divide this 20 by 7, I get a minus 7 as a remainder. Sorry, minus 1 as remainder. Then plus 4 into, see, I have minus 1 to the power 107. Minus 1 to the power an odd number will give you minus 1. So I will get a minus 1 from here divided by 7. So what I got? I will get minus 4 by 7. So this is not the remainder. I will do 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. But 3 is not the answer. If there is an option that is 3, then your answer will be wrong. Because I have divided this number, I have divided numerator and denominator by 5. So I have to multiply it by 5. 5 3s are 15. So 15 will be the correct answer. Option number B. Please tell, is it clear to all of you or should I repeat it? Reply fast. Somkeshwar, Sai, Somkeshwar, Mani, Durga. Repeat it, sir. Okay. Durga, see. 20 upon 35, 20 to power 108. We have to make such kind of adjustment that 20 become closer to 35, but it is not feasible. So what will we do? We will just take 120 from there because we know that 20 and 35 are can be divided by 5. Okay. So we will take 120 from there, and if I take 120 from there, then what power will become? 20 to the power of 107. If I divide it by 5, 5 4 ja 20, 5 7 ja 35. I know that 20 is closer to 7. If I multiply 7 by 3, 7 3 ja 21. So I will write it as 4 into 20 to the power 107. If I divide it by 7, I know that 7, when I divide 4 by 7, the remainder will be plus 4. And when I divide 20 by 7, the remainder will be minus 1, and minus 1 to the power 107 will become minus 1. If it is 1010, 1012, 1014, then minus 1 to the power an even number will make 1. So plus 4 into minus 1 is equal to minus 4 by 7. Minus cannot be the remainder of any number. So we have to subtract it from 7 minus 4 equal to 3. 3 is also not the answer because I have divided the numerator and denominator by 5. So I have to multiply it by 5. So 5 into 3 equal to 15 is the correct answer. Please tell now, is it clear to you? Please tell now, is it clear to you or should I repeat it once more? Okay, Sai, very good.